Port? I have to fix my hair. Oh, crazy. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's the day after the New Year's, January 2nd, and we're about to start some adventures before we head back. So today we're heading to Appleton Estate. That's our first stop, and then we'll see where we go from there. So come along for the ride. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace. Hello. I think I just videoed, but I didn't hit record. Just realized. Did I hit record? I'm not sure. I was recording my intro. Good morning, hello, afternoon, wherever you are in the world, whatever time it is. Today is day, I don't know. All I know, the holidays are over. The holidays are over, and we're about to head on the road. First stop, Appleton Estate. What about y'all? I don't either. That's what it is, right? So time's running down. Huh? Yes, I called your school. I told you I called your school. No one flavor per bag.
No, I gotta make sure I can drink it.
Hmm?
I gotta make sure I can drink it.
That's my high school. This is how far I used to come to school. Say what? Maybe we did this. Uh-huh.
Welcome to Appleton Estate.
You must hear my second time running.
That was one of the first train in Jamaica.
You know what? You know what?
Ah. They only tell me say a bush down side. Oh, when you go up, man. Eh.
Ton nessa. Ton basa, ainda sei que go. Paco Babaya today.
Man, smell the molasses already.
Aye.
Strong. Oh, molasses strong.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine.
What you have?
I don't know.
That's the same thing you have.
No, it's not. It's different. He put
I said her name in front of him. Now she's using it on a first day basis.
Oh, them. Oh, hold up. When the thing gonna slick, gonna make it cup smaller, and make it stronger. Blows faster.
switch him then switch.
What you have? What did you get?
I don't know. He put something extra in there.
You probably put extra rum in a hit. Yeah.
Oh, what if they get yes?
I just made test extra rum. I put in a PR. Give me back for me.
It tastes that one.
You prefer this one?
Because it's sweet. Alright, it's coming. What?
Add it. It tastes better with it. I like it better. Can we finish it here and then we move? You know how much rum he put onto Michelle?
Wait,
She drank them
you
down.
wait till he does.
Is there food here?
And they do have a restaurant.
Yeah, cause I'm gonna need to.
I
eat.
saw a shrimp pasta.
A shrimp pasta.
Like that's what we're just shipping. I don't know.
The
why
new
they-
polish?
Yes. I don't know why they told us can't stay on. Stay on.
Mine stays on. Remember last time I was the last one I had to like fight it off? I did.
And it wasn't even a gel.
No, the last time I did it. It was a gel polish last time.
No, it was the one you got from Emmy's polish, right?
Nothing, nothing to grab her out of the room.
With the nail
Do what? Hello. Yeah, you push her foot up in nice shoes. Where'd Daddy go?
Watch him. Watch him. You hear me, Mama?
Nobody don't get out of DC.
Come on, let's go out there. The man is British. Then we can't go. We can get to our store. We can't carry it.
Yeah, last time we did. You walked with it.
Sit on the sit on road.
Drink up.
Carry the female.
And that baby it's so. No, and I have to carry the cups so when I drink off this tester them and I try the tester and I ain't.
Turn around.
Make it turn, you make it turn around.
They are brave. You turn around.
They rank, you know? Oh, they rank your
Take
phone.
a picture with them?
No, from far, they rank.
Yeah, man. Then we want. Yeah,
You
man.
know, say the man wonder? Are the man up and up, you know?
You gotta turn around.
I saw wing them long and pretty.
A peacock?
No.
Yeah? It's a peacock.
Mm-hmm.
Peacock.
I'm sit down somewhere. I mean, I bag. Maybe when we go outside.
Mama, did you know that a male peacocks like open their feathers to impress the woman?
Yeah. Oh, this bottle is so pretty with the etchings. Look at that. That's so pretty. What? Wow. I remember that type of bottle over there. I remember that one in the back right there. I remember that one. Like 2 year ago we come here.
Oh. I never.
Me and them, no you. Me and them come here 2 year ago.
Oh, so we gotta get down.
Yes, you gotta get a rundown.
Okay.
The rum not kicking yet.
Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
This is speak for yourself. The Joyce Friends, Appleton Estate from experience. My name is Tiffany. I'll be your guide for the rest of the time we spend here. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Tiffany.
Appleton Estate started producing rum since 1749. We are 276 years old. So we know what we are doing. We are located on another 11,400 acres of land, but at the rate of which you guys are drinking. Very soon, we're gonna have to buy more land here. We ain't complaining, just keep drinking. You're going to watch a short documentary before we actually start the tour on the outside. Don't mind the word documentary, the video is very exciting. With the eyes on the screen in front of you. 6 minutes. Let me just apologize for our donkey. He's not feeling well, so it's out of work for the entire week. But this is a mill that was used in the 17th and 18th century by using a donkey and also a mule. All right, no more room for you. So the donkey will go around into the mill. There's a gentleman that would push the sugarcane through the mill. Using this method, we would have squeezed up to 65 to 70% of juice. Mechanically way, we get up to 98% of juice, which is big difference. No longer using this method, everything is done on the factory side. Let us do a comparison. This is how the cane would have looked after the donkey would have extracted the juice from it. So it's still together. But this is how it looks when it's done in the factory.
Longwood scale.
Get it?
That's so funny.
We just appreciate my jokes.
Oh, well, another group right behind us. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So what we have here is a monument. The name of the monument is Lest We Forget. So it was created by a young Jamaican artist, Chishana Henry. It's a remembrance of our enslaved that usually work here on the estate. On the bottom part, right around, are names of enslaved that work here as
No, Find up now. What's up?
I am.
Oh, there you go. You need to fix the picture on his front screen. Both Tyra and Terrence are cut off.
Lloyd?
No, I guess Daddy wasn't a slave either. Sorry, twins. He was a slave before the time. Here you go. It's too hot for this.
It is very hot over here. Very hot over here.
Turner, you take a picture for us? No? Hey, goodbye, shoot.
This is the new monument that they put up last year.
behind you there, that's how it grows. So once I gave you guys the sugar cane, all I want you to do is to chew on it, swallow the juice, and take out the fiber. Please do not swallow the fiber.
Is it sweet?
In order for your case, natural shrinkage, stop working.
Go on, more, one more empty finish, make it push out. All right, yeah.
Alright, so the workers and the drinking parts. That's what they're called. Well, it's amazing when they add lime juice to it.
Thank you. Which is like when you add lime juice with coconut water.
Sugar water.
The lime juice with coconut water is amazing. Hey, sun hot and the rum not. Hey, the sun hot and the rum must start talking. You know. The sun hot and the rum must start talking. Why else you take that one over there? You think I would have done that now? You see, I said 100 kilos.
Say bye.
Yes, good man. Okay. Cheers to the weekend.
Okay. Let's have a little rum today.
Hear that? So Daddy still has something I feel cup.
It's too sweet for you, give it. It's not.
Who says the sweet turns 4 years in here? Oh, you had to take it?
Wait, can you? I don't want to spill mine. Wait, I got it. I got it.
Oh, you didn't want it?
Yeah, I was, but
Nice drinking it.
good. Now you like it? Oh.
Put it in Daddy cup.
That don't need.
To chill, load the cup there, much him know.
Jeffrey, go.
Oh, they have to.
Oh. We're gonna push.
Oh no, they got it.
You? Listen, don't embarrass out here. Don't embarrass us out here. Hey, you better can't push.
Hasn't got anyone labor in the manager.
Picture up there, right?
Well, stop here, my picture.
Well, wait. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my camera.
You have it for the team.
Let it record it.
I'm on your video. I'm gonna show it to my friends.
Wait, where's your name?
See, no one knows where his Nella.
No, don't move. Don't
Nella.
That knows either.
Listen, Navi. Oh, you're gonna record?
No.
Alright, thank you.
Why are you
That's
still over
it. You need a job down here or something? What further you want to go?
Little zone.
Yes, yes. Oh, sorry. Yes. Me send it con you. Oh, there's water. Oh, thank God.
Guess what's here not done? You know, so they change up the concept that everybody did.
Mm-mm. Oh, pimento tree. I'm trying to do a more in-depth video over here. Last time I didn't do one, so. But yeah, we're at Appleton Estate, as you can see. This time with my family. Yeah. They've done a lot of changes over here, actually. A lot of changes. A lot of good changes. A lot of good changes, though, so that's good. Jamaica water, that regular water? Pipe water? Can't drink.
Like in a bottle where you buy.
Oh. It's coming behind you.
Estimation's not so much. Estimation's shaking my head. Did y'all change it? They're just coming change it.
What am I using for now?
Here, Nala. Mommy. Nala.
To taste the molasses.
Parents. I don't want to taste molasses. Where's that sugar?
The crystal combined together. So the cane juice that you just have across there is all cooked or boiled down to this liquid here. A lot of people use it to bake, love the cakes, the cookies, bun, lemonade as well. Good in iron, vitamin B12, and potassium. Tastes a way lot better than how it looks. No double grass. When I lift, you catch.
Okay, put your spoon, put your spoon. Move, Navi.
Yeah.
Move away.
Oh my God.
Remember, it's straight up raw, straight up. It is one upside down. That's okay. I'm used to it. Just try it. It's like actual, really the best form of sugar. That's like the best form of sugar. Try it.
I don't think.
That was mommy.
That was awful. It's like the most natural form of sugar you could ever get.
Getting all over yourself. That was awful, mommy. That was awful. Oh God. I like it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And I have it in the pantry, so you should
your cup out.
eat some more.
I'm not
It's
eating
very
it.
good in iron.
I'm not eating it.
Yeah, get another spoon. Get some more.
She just blew her back.
Did not have to. Oh no, she's not even in here.
I could never. I like it. It tastes like the burner food.
You go get the water.
Use the water and the sticky.
How are you about strong balls?
And guys, what we do, we separate the crystal from the molasses. We sell you guys the crystallized sugar. That's when you get brown sugar. Takes the color of the molasses. But how do we get white sugar? We bleach. So we have to bleach the brown sugar, and that's how they end up with white sugar. Aging house here in Jamaica. When this one is full, it carries up to 8,000 barrels of rum. Largest warehouse carries over 40,000 barrels of rum. This one right here is a third, and it's sweeter, but even more expensive. The minimum age in the barrel, 3 years, but the oldest rum we have ever released is a 50-year-old rum. We're not making any more of that rum. Only released to celebrate Jamaica 50th independence anniversary. 800 was bottled, 300 for here, 500 for the rest of the world. We were only selling one bottle for $5,000 US.
You hear that?
Sold out in 2018.
Yo.
Time for the tasting room. Time for the tasting room.
For 10, so if it's number 10, you owe me $210.
This is all rum, guys. All rum.
If it says number 10, yo, only $10.
I like the molasses. Oh, you could buy that and use that instead of agave in your tea.
You guys enjoy the tour?
Yeah, yeah.
You guys should come back, okay?
Exactly. Sorry, go ahead.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
First thing you're gonna pick up is the orange peel. All yours, take a shot. Stop being one going down like you put some here on the chest. Come out here on the chest. I take it off.
Take it. You have to take it.
And inhale. You should be picking up a lot of spices.
What in Trump?
You work it around, and then you put it back to the nose. Vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, shoot some of that Christmas cake. You can go for the big shot, smooth going down, but
A little bit of water. I don't like the taste of Appleton. You see this one?
raise the glass.
I can't agree with the showing here.
Everybody, look this way. So look right here, where the rum meets the glass on top. You should see a visible honey
Yes.
gold
True.
ring. The older the rum, the more pronounced that ring will become. Fill the glass to the side without spilling.
This here.
Lift it up back in the original position. Those things that you see dripping on the glass coming down, they are called legs. Rum do have legs, just like wine. The older the rum, the slower the legs move. But younger the rum, the faster it will dripping down. Swirl and inhale. Coffee, cocoa. Not to take a shot. It is not to take a shot. A sipping one, you're gonna take your time.
I can't.
You're gonna
This
sip,
is sip. I can't do that.
chocolate,
Straight me, I wish. You should have sip, chew on the chocolate, sip again. You can't sip.
chocolate, and sip again. All yours. Sip, chew on the chocolate, sip again.
Did you put water? You catch it, you just capture him.
I don't know.
Collect for this one.
Can you even eat that?
Yeah, the chocolate, yeah. You could also eat the coffee grounds.
No, I mean, does not have dairy in it?
It's dark chocolate.
Oh.
Mr. Chief. So we do this at end. So we do this at end.
Am I done? And am I done?
Chocolate and sip
Am I
again.
done? Say cheese. Say cheese. Cheese.
That was something.
No more. We already got.
I need to record this. Them are going to let's go by room now.
I can go over there and get a drink.
When
The other two combined cost the fact it costs $35. I just found the other prices over there. Found the other prices over there. See? Over here.
I did book me I look for.
There's no books.
This book. The coffee this book.
Where's the bottle?
I thought they did.
It's not actual signature. You just The sticker. Like the sticker you shoot just a sticker. It's just a sticker.
Oh, I thought they engraved it.
That's
It's gonna take a minute for the.
$70 for what then? Respectfully, no. $70.
This is the book that the money goes back to the country.
Keychain.
The mom did. You know the one went to the museum in DC? It was like $40.
Huh? I should tell you. Can I show you something?
What?
Huh?
What?
You buy it? He paid for the hat?
Tara's buying it. Where's the $10 tearing your teeth? What?
The shirt's not gonna get you.
You gonna get me an Appleton Estate shirt?
Hey, you got one tour. Hey, you want the tour?
How much is it?
I haven't seen the price tag.
They have size, a pure little size.
It's a medium.
Oh, to the airport. Oh,
Yeah.
I'll just buy the rum when I get to the airport.
Yeah, but it's a hassle to get it in.
Yeah, I'll buy it when I get there. Because then they have to put that in a suitcase because they can't go to security with it. Yeah. So I'll wait till I get to the airport. How much is the t-shirt? $18. Oh, that's not bad. And the thingy.
They cut funny glass.
We also came here earlier last time too.
Glass and smaller.
But the settings is beautiful.
So where to?
Anyhow, I'm not walk right out. So, I could have go this and go so, but me not go so.
I can't believe me.
Did everybody enjoy the tour?
You did. Yeah, I did.
That's good.
Nyla, you did? You didn't drink
Goodbye, Appleton. It was fun. What? Nana didn't drink anything? I would hope not. I would hope not. I would hope she didn't drink anything. When people talk about this, I take picture too quick.
What the chilies around that much got you?
So, they're still better than the one. The next one.
Oh yeah, that one was terrible.
Got so many glasses. Jeffrey?
Eh?
The jerk spot over in Exton. Yeah, Trenton. I got Trenton. You want chicken or pork?
Chicken.
Are you want to pass it? That's what pass look like.
No, they don't want that.
What's that?
Y'all don't want it. The neck and stuff. Y'all don't want that. You want pork now?
Oh, Lord.
So the pork one, yes, sir. Then separate it. Pork and chicken separate. Oh, okay. But I'm still gonna eat some of yours. But yeah, you asked me to make a try. If asked me if you want some, then now you was hungry. Go ahead, keep eating. Can you want more chicken?
He said he's waiting for his. There's only a men bathroom around there.
No, it's just bathroom. Just go use it.
Again?
May I tell you?
You don't know how much that.
Let me see the parcel line. The parcel, basically the chicken parts. It like it.
What kind of peanut you want?
It's missing for your chicken card. All of them gone through for them already.
I still have a whole bunch of chicken.
No, I was just taking a video. And now like gone through the pork, watch it.
I'm pretty sure ate through hers too. It's just a bread.
Oh, see, they used to have to wait for chicken too. Oh, and so out of the bread. So me think we go and go eat. And
It's the black door.
me don't know. Then ask somebody one.
There's a urinal, but
Why they ask for the woman bathroom?
yeah, bathroom. Mikey said bathroom.
Taxi room.
What are you doing?